How to add friends on Telegram app by phone number. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to open up your Telegram app. After that, make sure you are logged in with your account. So here in the left upper corner, you can see the three-lined horizontal bar. So simply tap on that. After tapping on that, you'll be able to see the list of settings. Among them, you have to go through the contacts. After that, in the right lower corner, you can see the profile icon with plus sign. So simply tap on that. After tapping on that, you can see you have to enter the name and last name of the person. The last name is optional while the first name is required. You can set any name of the person. For that, in the phone number section, you have to enter the phone number of the person, and by entering it, you can simply tap on create contact, and by doing that, person will be added to your chat list. And by doing that, you can add friends on Telegram app by phone number. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.